Now, last week, President Uhuru Kenyatta was in Barbados, and part of the engagement was how to foster more business ties between the two countries. One of the big opportunities lies in the technology field. Abi Agina reports.
The Caribbean islands is a golden opportunity for countries looking to diversify to come and set up shop. And among the young techies that did make it here to Barbados during this Kenya-Barbados Business Forum, they're looking to tap into the ICT space. We spoke to some of them, and here are their insights.
Credit unions in Barbados are incredibly well entrenched. They have over 100% penetration of membership, which means there are more members of credit unions than actual people, and that already yields a huge opportunity. Everyone's a member of a credit union. So there's 32 of them, all quite open for business. I had a chance to meet with 3 of the largest ones and 2 of the upcoming ones. And similar to in Kenya, there's a huge opportunity to provide modern banking solutions that are specifically for credit unions. We've seen an openness to do business. It was absolutely worth it to come by. And we're looking to go as far as setting up a company here that would allow us not only to show our commitment and serve the credit unions here, but also use this as a base to serve the rest of the Caribbean, which, same as Barbados, has quite a lot of credit unions.
We're really excited. I think one of the main things that we saw in terms of opportunities that the problem that we have in Kenya or in Africa of low insurance penetration is something that also persists here. People are not buying insurance. Insurance products are not flexible or simple and easy to use. So we hope that we're going to be able to bring an array of products that fit into the people of Barbados and their way of life in a very easy and simple way.
I think that the biggest opportunity I see is on the SME side of it. When we were around, we were seeing great food restaurants and stalls out there where cash is being used. I think there are areas that we can look at from the SME side of it. And each country is different. What worked in Kenya may not work here. The technology is there. It's just leveraging on the different opportunities that are in Barbados, and we're looking. I think when I drove around, so I mean, there's quite a bit of opportunity that is there to digitize cash.
Barbados is one of the countries that lies in the Caribbean region. The Caribbean region promises to offer quite a host of activities, from tourism to oil and gas. And even as the country looks to get new partners, Kenya is keenly on its radar as a country that they look to trade with in the coming months and days. Reporting from Bridgetown in Barbados, I'm Abi Agina for KT News.